What is the absolute best way to start investing if you only have $100 to your name? Most people take their first $100 and blow it on a fancy dinner or a pair of shoes that will be worthless in a year. But what if you put it to work? Today, we are going to run the ultimate financial experiment. I'm going to take you through 5 different ways to invest $100 right from your laptop. We'll score them on risk, the learning curve, and the actual profit they generate. By the end of this video, you will have the exact cheat code to turn a single Benjamin Franklin into a massive portfolio. Let's build the wealth matrix. Asset number 1, individual stocks. This is where everyone starts, and it is exactly where everyone loses their money. Buying a single stock like Tesla or Apple feels exciting. You think you are the next Wolf of Wall Street. But here's the brutal truth. For a beginner, picking individual stocks is not investing. It's just a highly educated casino. The learning curve is brutal. You need to read balance sheets, understand cash flow, and track CEOs. If you throw $100 into a random company because a guy on TikTok told you to, you aren't an investor. You're a gambler. The risk is extreme. You can double your money in a week, or the company can go bankrupt and your $100 goes to zero. Passive income? Only if they pay dividends, which is pennies on a $100 investment. Score? High risk, high effort, and mostly a trap for beginners.
Asset number 2, real estate. You might think $100 can't buy a house, and you are right, but it can buy a piece of a skyscraper. Welcome to REITs, real estate investment trusts. Imagine a giant corporation buys a massive shopping mall. Instead of keeping it, they slice it into a million tiny shares. You buy one share for $100. Now, every time a store pays rent, you get a cut. The learning curve is moderate. You don't need a mortgage or a hammer. You just buy it like a stock on an app. Passive income? Fantastic. By law, they must pay out 90% of their profits as dividends. But the risk? It is medium. If the commercial market crashes and stores close, your dividend gets cut. Asset number 3, cryptocurrency, the Wild West, Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you put your $100 here, you are entering the most volatile market on Earth. The learning curve is surprisingly high. You need secure digital wallets, exchanges, and an iron stomach. Passive income? Basically zero, unless you use risky staking methods. You only make money if the price goes up and you sell to someone else. The risk? Maximum. Your $100 could turn into $1,000, or it could be wiped out completely by a hack or a digital crash. It is part investment, part pure speculation. Asset number 4, gold, a trusted store of wealth for thousands of years. Think of it less as an investment and more like an insurance policy. Learning curve? Low. You buy physical gold coins or a gold ETF on an app. It is simple. Passive income? Zero. Gold does not pay you. It just sits there. The only way you make money is if you sell it for more than you paid. But the risk? Low to medium. It's not going to double your money overnight, but it's also not going to go to zero. It protects you from inflation.
Finally, asset number 5, the ultimate cheat code, index funds. This is exactly what $100 should buy. Imagine
Wow, look
owning
at that
a
massive
tiny
cluster of
piece the
storefronts and logos.
500
So many
biggest
glowing
companies on
possibilities in this
Earth.
digital universe.
Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, all at once. Instead of trying to find the needle in the haystack, you just buy the entire haystack. The learning curve is non-existent. You turn on auto invest and the market does the work. Passive income? Great. You get dividends from all those companies. Risk? Very low. If one company fails, you have 499 others to support you. This is exactly how wealthy people actually build massive portfolios over 30 years. It's slow, boring, and guaranteed to win. Stop trying to get rich quick and start trying to get rich for real. Click the subscribe button on this channel. It is the best investment you will make today, and it costs you absolutely nothing. Join the winning side. Own your future. Don't rent it.